The year is 1909, and a monumental endeavor is underway that would reshape the world's maritime landscape forever. Against the lush backdrop of the Panamanian rainforest, an audacious vision is taking shape: the construction of the Panama Canal. This is a story of ingenuity, determination, and the relentless pursuit of connecting two oceans. The once impassable isthmus had long posed a formidable barrier to maritime trade, necessitating treacherous and lengthy journeys around Cape Horn. But with the dawn of the 20th century, the dream of a shortcut between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans was finally becoming a reality. Enter the colossal task of excavating a channel and creating locks to lift ships through the continental divide. As the tropical sun beat down, a workforce spanning nations converged on the isthmus. Skilled engineers, laborers, and visionaries from around the world united in a shared mission. The sheer scale of the project was staggering, involving the excavation of over 170 million cubic meters of earth and rock. Amidst the relentless challenges of terrain, climate, and disease, engineers introduced a groundbreaking innovation: the use of concrete to construct the locks and dams. This marked a pivotal turning point in the canal's construction, streamlining the process and increasing its durability. 1909 became a pivotal year, as workers commenced the monumental task of pouring concrete for the locks and dam structures. This was no ordinary concrete. It was a specialized blend that could withstand the harsh marine environment and the pressure of millions of gallons of water. The machinery hummed, the workers toiled, and the concrete flowed like a river into the forms that would shape the future. Each layer laid was a step closer to fulfilling the vision of creating a navigable waterway that would shrink the globe and revolutionize global trade. The process was painstaking, as the concrete had to be poured, cured, and meticulously inspected to ensure its strength and integrity. Yet, the endeavor was infused with a sense of purpose, a realization that they were part of something greater than themselves, an endeavor that would define an era. With the passage of time, the Panama Canal's locks and dams took shape, testament to the fusion of human skill and determination. As the concrete set, it fortified the dreams of generations to come, laying the foundation for a transformative passage that would reshape global commerce. In 1914, the fruits of their labor materialized as the first ship navigated the Panama Canal, forever changing the dynamics of international trade and navigation. The canal's completion stands as an enduring testament to human innovation, collaboration, and the willingness to conquer nature's most formidable challenges. Today, as ships of all sizes continue to traverse the Panama Canal, they sail through a passage carved by the hands of those who poured concrete into the locks and into the annals of history. Their legacy lives on, a reminder that human ambition and perseverance can shape the course of nations and open new horizons. Subscribe to my channel if you like these historical videos and click on the top left box for the story of unearthing fortune, the Klondike Gold Rush. Thanks for watching.